Ledled Cymru a'r Deyrnas Unedig, mae tlodi mewn gwaith ar gynnydd. Ymysg hanner y teuluoedd yng Nghymru sy'n byw mewn tlodi, mae un person yn ennill cyflog. Yn Oxfam, rydym ni'n credu y dylai gwaith fod yn ffordd allan o tlodi ac dylu talu cyflog da am ddiwrnod da o waith. Ar hyn o bryd, mae jyst o dan chwarter y swyddi yng Nghymru ddim yn talu'r cyflog byw, fel y pennir gan y sefydliad cyflog byw ar sail costau byw. Mae talu'r cyflog byw nid yn unig yn fuddiol I weithwyr, ond mae hefyd o fydd I gyflogwyr. Ond peidiwch â chymryd yn gair ni, rydym ni wedi bod yn holi cyflogwyr cyflog byw ledled Cymru, a dyma mewn nhw neu dweud.
I'm John Burns. I'm the founder and managing director of Burns Pet Nutrition. We are based here in Caerdydd. We've been here since 1993. Burns has been a living wage employer since its inception, in fact. Staff appreciate that we're trying to look after them. So I think we're recognised as an employer that people would like to come and work for. My late father-in-law said that money is made to go round, and the economy depends on people being reasonably well off, that they can afford to buy and use services. So it's important for the community as a whole that there's a sense of equality and fairness in our community at large. I personally am the current living wage champion for Wales, so that gives me quite a certain satisfaction.
I'm Danielle Whitburn. I work at Burns Pet Nutrition, Park Box farm shop in Caerdydd. I love working here. It's a great company to work for. Everyone's so friendly and happy to work for, and it's a great place. The living wage has been fantastic. It's given me the chance to treat my children, take them away for weekend breaks, and not have to think about bills and like general life struggles, so that eliminates everything.
My name is Jane Dowden, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Cardiff University. Cardiff University became a living wage employer 2 years ago in 2014. It's had quite an amazing impact. It makes a difference to the employees. It makes them appreciate that we as an employer appreciate them, and that really motivates them. It also means that we get employees who are able to focus on doing one job rather than having to work in a portfolio of jobs and arriving really tired, because that's the only way they can make ends meet.
Right, my name is Anne Wilcox. I work for Cardiff University as a domestic assistant, and I've started working here 1.5 years ago.
My name is Christina Welsher, and I'm a domestic assistant for Cardiff Uni. And I've been here just over a year. Domestic, it's a hard job, and especially a lot of hotels, most hotels pay minimum wage, which I think should be living wage.
So I had 2 jobs, but it meant a lot of rushing around, picking her up from school, rush her dinners through, and then wait for her to come home. Had to go back to the other job and come back home late, and then being really too tired to interact with her. Now with the living wage, I can meet her budget much easier and be home a bit more as well, and still give her the things she needs.
Diolch yn fawr am wylio. Cadwch lygad allan am y fideo ar Facebook a Twitter Oxfam Cymru, a chofiwch rannu!